Hi, this is Mike from Springtac Holster. What I want to show you today is very quickly, without a lot of words, how a Springtac holster works. It's really hard to find a holster that will accommodate not only a laser light or a tack light, but also allow you to switch weapons, switch accessory, and still carry everything concealed. This weapon is an XDM, 3.8 inch barrel, very small concealable 40 caliber gun. It has on it a Crimson Trace LG 448, very streamlined assembly, but still very hard to put in a standard issue holster. Our holsters are designed different than everybody else. We design our holster with an internal holding mechanism that concentrates its holding efforts and abilities on the very few parts of a semi-automatic concealable pistol that is the same. We're not going to go into all the engineering of it. It's designed to be ambidextrous, worn under the belt or inside the pant. As you can see, it's very attractive. If your shirt rides up, people think they're looking at either a cell phone case or a PDA holder. It doesn't look like a holster. It's not profiled to the weapon. Very simple, very easy insertion. Tight enough to hold. Loose enough to draw. Again. There you have it. Springtac holster. This particular model is a 5-inch standard in brown. It's available also in black and a 3-inch version. I'm going to change the laser sight on this and put on something that's a little more bulky and show you how it doesn't matter. Hang on. Okay, now we have the same weapon, a Springfield XDM compact 3.8 inch barrel with a larger laser light assembly on it. Now, at this point I want to tell you, you want to be careful when you're buying accessories for your tack rail, especially if you're going to use it in a defensive application. You don't get a second chance to do it right. So you have to be careful about what you're going to put on your tack rail. Having said that, one thing you're going to watch, most importantly of anything, is your activation switch for the weapon, whether it be a pressure sensor or an on-off or a pulsator or whatever it is. You want to make sure that it is well constructed and doesn't create an issue. I'm not here to talk about laser lights and what's good and what's bad about them. All I'm going to say is be careful what you have to do to turn it on and how much it projects into the cavity of any holster that you buy. Having said that, same weapon, larger, green, laser light, same holster as before. That makes absolutely no difference as far as the insertion of that weapon. Again, Springtac holster, 5-inch standard in brown. And we're going to throw some more stuff on it. Here we are again. I've replaced the laser light on this XDM with a tack light. Same configuration basically. Doesn't project too far below the trigger guard. Same holster. Same easy insertion. Concealable. Very easy. If you want to carry a concealed weapon with a tack rail accessory attached, there is really only one choice out there right now, and that is Springtac Holster.